India is known for its diverse and vibrant festivals. Here are some of the most popular ones. Diwali, known as the Festival of Lights. Diwali is one of the most significant Hindu festivals celebrated with fireworks, lights, and sweets. Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is celebrated by throwing colored powders and water on each other, signifying the victory of good over evil. Eid-ul-Fitr, a significant festival for the Muslim community marking the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. Durga Puja, Navaratri Dussehra. These festivals are celebrated in different ways across India, all honoring the goddess Durga and her victory over evil. Raksha Bandhan, a festival celebrating the bond between brothers and sisters. Ganesh Chaturthi, a festival celebrating Lord Ganesha, marked by the installation of Ganesha clay idols in homes or publicly on elaborate pandals, temporary stages. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in various regions across India. People fly kites during Makar Sankranti. Remember that while the traditions may vary, the essence of Makar Sankranti remains the same, a celebration of the sun's journey into the northern hemisphere and the end of winter. Harvest festivals celebrated in South India, Pongal. Day 1, Bogi Pongal. People clean their homes and discard old belongings, signifying the end of the old and the beginning of the new. Day 2, Surya Pongal, the main festival day dedicated to the sun god. People cook a special dish called Pongal, a sweet rice dish made with newly harvested rice, milk, and jaggery, outdoors in clay pots. Day 3, Matu Pongal. This day is dedicated to cattle, as cows and bulls are decorated and worshipped for their role in agriculture. Day 4, Kanum Pongal. The final day of Pongal is a day for family reunion. People visit each other's homes, exchange gifts, and share the Pongal dish. Christmas, celebrated by Christians across India, marking the birth of Jesus Christ with church services and festive meals. These festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm, reflecting India's rich cultural heritage and traditions. Indian festivals are centered around a variety of themes, reflecting the rich cultural and religious diversity of the country.